how to make an online course on Udemy. So you have some knowledge and you have certain skill that you're planning to share it with the world. You want to share it with the world. So how will you put it in a course? Because online course is a good way to sell your skill or your knowledge and earn money out of it. It's udemy.com that I'm going to tell you today for online course creation, how it works and how you can combine your knowledge into an online course. So you got to put your knowledge into headings, subheadings, and starting from introduction to your process explanation, then conclusion. So on udemy.com, how it works is the first thing is the course landing page. The course landing page is a page where the description of your course, who is eligible for that course or who all can take that particular course will be listed. So it's the marketing page and you got to fill in all the details. Let me tell you that to have a course on Udemy and start earning money, you got to have a PayPal account because they'll pay you through PayPal. It's very easy to make a PayPal account. If you want, you can share it in the comments. If you don't know, I'll make a tutorial based on that. So then, as I told you, you got to have headings, subheadings, titles, subtitles. There will be a column. There will be a column there, curriculum column on Udemy course. Online course. When you start making there, you can upload your video lectures, your resources. It's more of a video course, so it cannot be made without video lectures. So you got to have at least 30 to 40 minutes of video lectures in order to get your course approved. And then curriculum, as I told you, you can upload video lectures, quizzes, resources, PowerPoint presentation, WordPad, a simple presentation on a WordPad. It starts with introduction, and then you can explain the topic by making certain subheadings. Description, you can do it in the form of stories, demonstration, and other methods like PowerPoint or visual aid methods. Then don't forget to make a promo video as well. I forgot to tell you that will also be there on your course landing page, that is doing the marketing for your course, and that should be very attractive and eye-catchy, and they should click with the audience so that they buy the course. So promo video is one. Make a promo video, introduction video, and then your curriculum, whatever headings you want to make the video for, and then it ends with conclusion. Yeah, so Udemy has a step-by-step instruction guide. I'll show you in the we'll go through that as well in this video, how to make a course on Udemy on my laptop. I'll show you. So step by step you can learn that as well. So one thing I told you, that you need to have a PayPal account. It's very necessary if you are looking to make an account or making money on Udemy. Because when you fix your pricing, the payment will come through PayPal. Yeah, so now you'll be seeing the tutorial of how to make an online course on Udemy. Thank you. Hi, so as I told you, I'm going to show you how to create your course. So when you'll go to teach on Udemy and you'll fill in what kind of course you want to make, then you'll get this option, create your course. So when you'll click on it, then step by step you have to you have to fill in these guidelines, the steps that they're asking you to fill. First, let's find out what course you're making. So is it a practice test course? So you'll be following the guidelines on Udemy. It's I'll show you further. Hi, so today I'm gonna tell you how to make an online course on Udemy. So you got to go to www.udemy.com, and if you have an account, well and good, otherwise you can make an account. So what you have to do is, once you go to, I'll show you one of my live accounts. So when you'll go to udemy.com, I have certain courses already live on udemy.com. So you'll go to instructor. I clicked on instructor on top, and there are certain courses here that will be listed. Now these are the courses.
things that you need to take care of is that first thing, you got to have a PayPal account because they do the payment on PayPal account. And second thing, yes, you need to make an account on udemy.com. So these are the things that you need to fill. Target your students is one thing that you need to take care of, because that will be appearing on your course landing page. What will students learn in your course? Are there any course requirement or prerequisites? Who are your target students? So these options you got to fill. So this is where your making of an online course starts. Now this is a very important thing that you need to the curriculum is the title where you need to fill in all your video lectures and resources. You have to fill in here, and you know that udemy.com, the courses over here cannot be just be theory. You have to make video lectures along with the theory. So video lectures of a certain length are very important. Like, you have to have like 35 to 40 minutes of video lectures in order to get your course submitted. So video lectures along with the resources, resources can be PowerPoint presentations. See, I'll show you the sign over here, which is plus sign, where it shows what all things you can upload. You can upload lecture, quiz, practice test, assignment, coding exercises, even the other resources. If you have something simple as a Microsoft Word and PowerPoint presentations, you can upload that as well. So now course landing page is very, very important. This is the page where you need to fill in your course title, course subtitle, course description. This is the first page that will be looked at by the customers and the clients who will be opting for your courses. So this should be filled in properly, and all the important details should be here. Then this course is already submitted in live, so that's why I'm getting some different options like Udemy feedback and captions. Captions will be there, but Udemy feedback, why? Because this course is already live. So when you will submit your course, and if it goes live, if it's approved, then you will also get this option of Udemy feedback. Then pricing is another option where you have to fill in, you have to decide the price at what price you want to sell your course. Most of the time the courses on Udemy are on discount, so you have to fill in, but then most of the time the courses are discount. If you want to give a certain price to your client, you can customize the prices and give discounts using this promotion option, where you can create coupons. Coupons where if you want to give your course at a certain value, you can create a coupon and offer that coupon to your clients. Then this is course messages. Course messages is there is a welcome message that you need to fill in, and when they'll join the course, they'll receive this message and a congratulation message when they have completed the course. And then there will be submit for review instead of these options availability in students. So you'll get submit for review option when you'll be making your course. Once you are done filling in all the things here, then you can submit your course. It will take 2 to 3 days for review. Udemy, if it approves it, your course will go live, and then you can sell your course at whatever random pace you want, Udemy also does marketing and sell your courses, but you have to make some effort from your side as well. So that was all about it, how to make an online course and start making money. It's a nice side hustle if you want to opt for, and if you have a knowledge that you want to share. So that was all for today. Thank you.